Good morning, children. Today we'll be continuing with our chapter number 2, addition. Okay, till now we completed exercise 2.1 first and second main, addition without carryover and with carryover. Okay, so let's solve some word problems in this, and then I'll give you some homework problems to do at home. Okay, so let's look at the first question here. We have solved word problems with 4-digit numbers before. It's same as that only, children. Okay, so there were 26,759 trees in the protected area of a forest. 13,842 trees were planted during Vanamahotsava. Find the total number of trees in the protected area of the forest. Okay, so what they are saying is, first in that forest 26,759 trees were there. Then new trees were planted during this festival, that is 13,842 new trees. So they are asking, so now at the present, how many total number of trees are there in the protected area of the forest? Okay, so let's start making sentences for this. Okay, so we have learned that, right? In the question only answer will be there. So let's start answering that one. So the first sentence is, the number of trees in the forest. You can actually write protected area of a forest, but it's okay, you can write it in short. Okay, is equal to 26,759. okay, then number of trees planted during Vanamahotsava is equal to 13,842. okay, so first sentence is written, second sentence, then we have to find the total number of trees in the forest. So therefore the total number of trees in the forest. What you have to do for this? You have to do addition. No, if we add these two, we will get the total number of trees. So 26,759 plus 13,842 is equal to, so let's add that in the working column. 26,759 plus 13,842. okay, what is 9 plus 2? 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 here, 1 carry over. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So it is 40,601 trees, right? So let's write that in a sentence. Therefore the sentence is there, no? The same you have to write here in the question last. The total number of trees in the forest is 40,601. okay, so this is how you have to answer your word problems. Let's look at the next one also. Okay, a cooperative milk dairy collects 15,209 liters of milk from farmers in a week and 16,826 liters of milk in the next week. How many liters of milk was collected from farmers in 2 weeks? Okay, so addition problem only. In first week 15,209 liters of milk is collected. In the next week 16,826 liters of milk is collected. So what is the total? So I'll just write down milk collected in first week, which is equal to 15,209 liters Okay, here writing the unit is very important, because here number of trees were counted. Number of trees are counted means it's okay, you can't write the unit there. Any kind of quantities should be written denoted by units. Okay, so next, the milk collected in the next week. Milk collected, you can write quantity of milk collected, or just milk collected only you can write. Okay, it's just framing your own sentences, but you have to write it correctly also. So milk collected in next week is 16,826 liter. Okay, therefore total milk collected in 2 weeks is equal to how much? So we have to do addition here now. 15,209 plus 16,826, which is equal to, let's do it in working column. 15,209 plus 16,826. What is 9 plus 6? 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 32,035 liters. Okay, I'll just write it in sentence. Therefore, the total milk collected in 2 weeks is 32,035 liters. Okay, this is how you finish the word problem. Okay, let's see the next one. An Indian cricketer scored 14,025 runs in test cricket match and 15,759 runs in one-day cricket match. How many runs did the cricketer score in all? So let's start writing. Runs scored in test matches, right? Test cricket matches, or you can write test matches only, is equal to 14,025. Next, runs scored in one day matches, which is equal to 15,759 runs. Okay, therefore total runs scored by the cricketer is equal to 14,025 plus 15,759. See children, last year I taught you to directly write in working column and do direct addition, but now why I am teaching you like this is okay for addition and subtraction, but when you are doing multiple operations and division, multiplication, you have to write it down separately. So let's follow this format only. Let's write this all within the this column, and then we can write the working column only for working this one problems, for doing sums. Okay, so let's do the addition here. 14,025 plus 15,759. Okay, what is 5 plus 9? It is 14. 4 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 0 plus 7 is 7. Then 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 29,784 runs. Okay, let's write it in sentence. Therefore the total runs scored by the cricketer is 29,784 runs. Okay, so that is your answer. Let's look at the next question. A public library in a city has 17,943 books in English, 14,635 books in Hindi, 10,284 books in Kannada. How many books are there in the library altogether? Okay, that is what the question is. Let's start answering. So, number of English books is equal to 17,943. Number of Hindi books is equal to 14,635. Then number of Kannada books is 10,284. Okay, therefore total number of books in the library is equal to, you have to add all these three. Okay, 17,943 plus 14,635 plus 10,284. Okay, let's see, let's do the addition here. 17,943 plus 14,635 plus 10,284. Okay, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 here, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 6, 1 carry over, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 8 here, 1 carry over, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 0 is 12 only, 2, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 42,862 books. Okay, let's write that in sentence. Therefore the total number of books in the library is 42,862 books, right? So that is the answer. Let's look at the last question here, children. Okay, in an assembly election, 3 candidates were polled, 32,135 votes, 29,048 votes and 4,951 votes respectively. Find the total number of votes. Okay, so 3 candidates are there. So number of votes of first candidate is equal to 32,135. Number of votes of second candidate is equal to 29,048 votes. Then number of votes of third candidate is equal to 4,951. Okay, therefore total number of votes polled is equal to, we have to add all these three. Okay, let's write that down. 32,135 plus 29,048 plus 4,951, which is equal to, I want you to do the addition in the working problem and write the answer yourself. Okay, and write a sentence. Therefore total number of votes polled is, whatever you get the answer, you write it down. Okay, so this is the end of your chapter number 2, children. See, in working problem I want you to write all the equals to in the same line. Okay, I have showed you in last year also, right? So all the sums you are doing should be done in the working column, sentences should be in this side and it should be aligned. Okay, all the equals to should be one below the other. You should write units in case of quantities. Okay, see, one below the other only, no? Please write it down neatly, and finish this for in classwork and homework also one time. And the revision exercise in page number 16, okay, addition revision exercise is there, no, that is also there for your homework. You have 2 days time, that sorry 3 days, today, Friday, Saturday and Sunday time. Please finish these two mains and the word problems here also, okay, exercise word problems in classwork one time and homework one time also, okay. Thank you children.